doing a motorbike taxi down here to the train station. It's kind of bananas sometimes. Depends on the guy too, but the traffic's kind of bad. You're really worried about clipping your knee on a bumper, to be honest, more than anything. Metal on bone if something happens. So they gotta go in and out of traffic. It's kind of a free-for-all, but they get you there a lot quicker if you're not lighthearted, and it's pretty cheap, especially if you know how to talk with them. You know, a lot of times you won't have a helmet, and I mean this guy does, you see, but unless you ask, he's not gonna give up his helmet. If you're not going far, and a lot of times if you tell them to go slowly, they will, you know. So this guy, he wouldn't give us no room. Freaking, some of those taxi guys are assholes. Some of them are nice. Grab, food delivery. But yeah, a motorbike is a fast and cheap way. Like I said, it's not for the lighthearted. So if you're, you know, especially in Bangkok or one of these type of cities, you know, you gotta, you know what I mean? You better make it, you know, sometimes you gotta just hope for the best. But all right, so we made it. Here goes my guy. And this area right here is right by the MRT Phetchaburi. And so Phetchaburi and Makkasan is across, which is the air link goes back to BKK, Suvarnabhumi Airport, and then back to Phai Thai. So this is kind of like a crossways, and I just told him to bring me here. We got a little ride share or smart parking over here. See, look at this thing. It's like a car elevator, you know, a car elevator, and they put their cars here and park per day or whatever, and then the motorbike parking, and then you go over here, you go down to the MRT subway, and that's what I'm doing, going back into the city center, or where I'm going. And usually around the stations there'll be some food, and this station has some good food. I'm going to show you a place right now that if you're over here, this Phetchaburi, I might try to put it on the map. So you see they got some, this fried, you know, always stuff on a stick, but this is a place I wanted to show you. It's like a Japanese katsu place. Now there's katsu all over the place, but this place gives you a big plate, and they're kind of known, you know. I mean, they're one of the best things I've ever put in my mouth, curry-wise. The dishes right here, one of them, but they have a bunch of different dishes, mainly pork katsu, but then they have fish like katsu curry, shrimp. I mean, they have different ones, you know. Think a beef one, like a hamburger. I tried. Now they got this thing. It's like a spaghetti with katsu curry pork. And then, of course, they give you a little thing of miso soup. And then they got, of course, in Thai tradition, they have the chili powder or whatever. Then, of course, I think this is soy sauce in case you want it saltier. And wow, they got Tabasco on the table. And these are traditional to put on different Japanese rice and noodle dish. It's like radish, pickled radish is what it is, I think. But that's traditional for Japanese or Korean. They do a lot of pickling of radishes and cucumbers. I'm going to show you the food here in just a second. All right, here it is. The spaghetti style. It's like a side of spaghetti. It looks like a hot dog in there with the katsu pork cutlet with the panko kind of tempeh crust stuff. Panko probably. Anyway, and then you have the brown gravy. Now some of these gravies you'll see, the way I like to make it is traditionally they'll have carrots and potatoes and sometimes even cut up onions. This is just the basic one with the seasoning, and then there's white rice underneath, if I can get to it, right here. Anyway, and then this is a curry puff kind of thing that I'm trying. See a lot of pastry puffs, like you know, whatever, the ginger puff, but this is like Japanese curry puff. It's got cheese in it. That shit is the bomb, dude. Spaghetti. The sausage I thought was just hot dog, but it's actually like a smoked hot dog. Better than I thought. It's kind of a spicy spaghetti, and then you get a fried egg on top. The traditional pork katsu. You widen the camera here. Man, this shit is good, man. This is one of my recommended places. They're just doing it a little different. And you see the plate sizes over there? You can pick, if you got a big appetite, you can pick like a big plate. So you're passing through here, this place right here. I don't know if they have other locations, but Gold Curry, Bangkok. And here is right here. I did a video showing y'all this, going back and forth, the air link. And the air link's right up there, you see it? It's about to go to the station. You see the air link? And then this is Makkasan Air Link, so you know where it is. You see you got lockers too. And if you want to do daily, if you're a traveler, you can rent them daily, hourly. And see, here is the MRT Phetchaburi. So I'll show you the sign, so it'll help you out. I do travel guides and walking tours. So there you go. You see it? Boom. And then it's pretty cheap to get around too. It's convenient. So especially if you don't want to rent a car, and you don't really want to be in a car in Bangkok too much, to be honest with you. You want to, and you know, just if you're down at the beach or one of the places like, you know, Phuket, Samui, Krabi, you probably want to rent a motorbike for, I don't know, anywhere from probably $10 to $15 a day, but our monthly's cheaper. But if you're up here, I would suggest you just take the train and stay near the train. So that's about it. I'm gonna walk down here and then cut her off. Appreciate y'all watching.